Hey guys, it's Emran. So, you want to speak English like super smooth? Like, you dream of having those conversations where you totally forget you're even speaking a different language? Yeah, I feel you. It's like the ultimate goal, right? Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, getting that natural flow can be a little, But don't stress because I've got you. I'm gonna break it all down, step by step, so you can go from, excuse me, to, I got this in no time, let's do it. Okay, so first things first, we gotta talk about the basics. It's like, you can't build a house on a shaky foundation, right? Same goes for language. You gotta nail down the fundamentals before you can start like, building your dream vocabulary mansion. First up, pronunciation. Seriously, this is major key. Download an app like Forvo, it's amazing for hearing how words are actually pronounced. Or just binge watch some YouTube, but like, pay attention to how native speakers say things. Podcasts are great for this too. Next, sentence structure. Don't freak out, it's not as scary as it sounds. Just focus on learning some common sentence patterns. Like practice saying things like, can I have, or what's the difference between. You'll be surprised how much smoother your sentences sound. And the most important thing, daily practice. Even if it's just for like 10 minutes a day, trust me, consistency is everything. Alright, now that we've got the basics down, it's time to beef up that vocabulary. Because like, the more words you know, the more you can express yourself, right? And that's the whole point of speaking another language. To actually, communicate. My biggest tip here is to learn practical vocabulary, like words and phrases you'll actually use in real life. Don't waste your time on super obscure words that you'll never actually say out loud. Flashcards are your new best friend. Or use an app like Anki. It's seriously a lifesaver for memorizing new words. And here's a fun challenge. Try the 3-word challenge. Learn and use 3 new words every single day. But here's the thing. Don't just memorize the words, actually use them in sentences. That's how you make them stick in your brain. Okay, enough with the prep work. It's time to actually start speaking. I know it can be scary at first, but trust me, the more you do it, the easier it gets. First up, mirror practice. Yeah, I know, it sounds kind of weird, but just stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. It's a great way to build confidence and get comfortable hearing yourself speak English. Another game changer, the shadowing technique. Basically, you listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say immediately after. It helps with your pronunciation, your intonation, everything. And of course, you gotta talk to actual humans. Use language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to find speaking partners. Or even just talk to your pet or describe your day out loud. The point is to just get those words flowing. Okay, this is where things get fun. Native speakers use all these phrases and slang words that just make them sound like effortlessly cool. And you know what? You can too. Start incorporating expressions like what's up instead of how are you? Or I'm all ears when you want to say you're listening. Where do you find these magical expressions? Everywhere. Shows, movies, YouTube videos. Pay attention to how native speakers talk in real life and start copying them. And don't just listen, repeat and use them in your own conversations. Last but not least, we gotta talk about feedback. I know it can be scary to put yourself out there and risk making mistakes, but honestly, mistakes are your friends. They're how you learn and improve. Record yourself speaking and then listen back. It can be painful at first, but trust me, it's super helpful. Ask a friend, a teacher, or even an online community to correct you. Remember, every single correction is a step closer to fluency. Alright guys, those are my tips for taking your English speaking skills from like 0 to hero. I know it can seem like a lot, but just remember, every little bit of effort counts. Improving your speaking skills takes time, but by following these steps, building a foundation, expanding vocabulary, practicing daily, mastering expressions, and seeking feedback, you'll sound like a native before you know it. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else learning English. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to take your English to the next level. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.